unfortunately, the genocide of the Rohingya has been so successful because they received a large amount of public support from the people of Myanmar and other ethnic groups. And unfortunately, this was the case. So what we've done as a organization is we've organized events in Southeast Asia. So we started the reconciliation process where we went to Chiang Mai and we organized an event. We cooked Rohingya food, we wore our cultural clothing, and we invited the people of Myanmar to come and see us and come and meet Rohingya women and come and speak to us. And it ended in tears. There were people saying, I didn't know that this was happening to your people. There are still progressive movements in Myanmar and beyond Myanmar that still deny the genocide of the Rohingya till today. So we are going back to the region and the reconciliation process to build empathy and the recognition of our people starts now, not when we can go back home. Finally, I wanted to end it by saying that the Rohingya, we are not statistics, we are people. Behind every number is a child sleeping without any shelter, a mother afraid of being raped, whether in Bangladesh or on the boat, a family risking death at sea because they see no other choice. Persecution has taken away our homes, myself, Lucky, Weiwei, and we are here and we are leading. Thank you.
Thank you.
I think people in the camps, definitely, we know there's a need for medium-term and a long-term solution. So when we talk about the medium-term solution, that definitely the work permit and the livelihood opportunities for people in the camps, especially for families with zero earnings in the camps. Majority of them have no incomes at all. They're just dependent, as I described before, on the food rations. And the last one would be for us, I'm sure it is mainly focused on the humanitarian and human rights issues, but I think I also want to take your attention back to the political representation gap that we still have largely. Rohingyas are largely excluded from any kind of decision-making processes. That includes Bangladesh, any other regional countries, and especially Myanmar. So I think there is a need for more Rohingya meaningful and safe participation in all decision-making processes, including humanitarian level or political level. Thank you.
Thank you so much for keeping time. And Noor. Time to turn to Khotong Ken because BRO UK has recently added the Arkan Army to the Argentina case.
Distinguished guests, my dear friends, thanks for joining. This is very timely event and important event for the Rohingya people. When head of OACHR Myanmar team mentioned it's never been worse than before. Today, what we are witnessing in our Arkan state, the Rohingya people, it's never been worse than before. So this is what we are witnessing, first point. Secondly, your question, Maui, that why we extended our economy to our Argentina case. This is a very important question. Rohingya, if you look at 2017, where our genocide happened, many decades we are suffering. But after 2017, international community well aware, we were able to listen the voices from the survivors directly. We want justice. Everyone, unitedly, Rohingya population, community, leaders from every side, they want justice. Because the brutality of the military, we have suffered. Now, this is another group which is Arkan Army, we're looking at. And one thing, what we're looking at is 2017. We need to see that when 390 villages were burned down, thousands of Rohingya women were raped, and about 800,000 Rohingya fled. One thing that men with the military together, some Rakhine extremists, and including border guard force,